Hi guys! Listen to that sizzle! This is one of those simple meals that instantly fills your kitchen with the most. Incredible aroma, juicy sausage, sweet peppers, and tender onions, all coming together in one pan. If you're looking for something easy, flavorful, and perfect for any day of the week, this is it. Look at that golden brown color, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. And when you serve it over warm rice, it turns into a full, comforting, satisfying meal. All right, let's make it. We're starting with 2 sausages. You can use smoked sausage, Italian sausage, or even a spicy one if you want a little kick. Totally up to you, simple ingredients, big flavor, that's the goal. Now slice the sausages into bite-sized pieces. Not too thin, you don't want them to dry out. Not too thick either. Just the right size so they get that beautiful golden sear in the pan. Next, chop up an onion and set it aside for later. Put the sausage in a pan and start cooking it. We do not use oil because sausage renders enough fat. Let the sausage cook. Turn the pieces occasionally so every side gets that rich color. You'll start to see the edges caramelizing. That's exactly what you want. Once the sausage is beautifully browned, immediately you'll notice the color pop in the pan. Let it cook for a few more minutes. In go the onion and the green and yellow peppers already cut. The peppers are tender and vibrant. Stir everything together so the flavors start blending. The peppers bring freshness. The aroma of the food is incredible. Slight sweetness. Easy ingredients. Bold flavor, minimal prep. Maximum satisfaction. The onions are soft and slightly sweet. You want the peppers tender but not mushy. This is the kind of meal that feels simple but tastes like you put in so much effort. At this point, everything comes together. The sausage is juicy and golden. Spoon the sausage and pepper mixture right over the top, and just like that, the dish is ready. Now grab your warm, freshly cooked rice. And that's it, a quick, flavorful sausage and peppers dish served perfectly over rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit a like and subscribe for more simple, delicious meals made easy. I'll see you in the next one.